What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG channel again, and I'm back today because it's finally here. That's right, I've been waiting months for this machine. It's the 450 SXF Factory Edition, my new personal ride, and I'm super excited. This bike was supposed to be here in February, got delayed. It was supposed to be here in March, got delayed. They told me April, and here we are finally on the very end of April, and it's made it. So there's definitely not as much mystery and intrigue as there was when I thought this thing was coming in January or February, but I'm still pumped to get it. It's an absolute beautiful machine. I'm excited about some of the changes and riding a new platform. This is the first brand new platform from KTM since I've been involved with the brand, and I'm really excited about it, guys. I want to learn this bike together with you all. We'll learn some ins and outs. Talk about some of the details and stuff as time goes. I'll tell you what I feel about the bike. I've been on a 19 for the last couple years. I'm got 50 some hours on it. I'm very familiar with it, so I'll tell you how that compares if you're looking at jumping to the next generation. Speaking of that, then the base models of this generation will be announced in a little less than 2 weeks, on May 10th, and they will start arriving on dealers in July. So definitely hit the subscribe button and the bell, and stay in tune with this channel if you're wondering about jumping on to a 2023 base model. I'll tell you exactly the benefits and the pros and the cons of this bike from the 19 to 22 generation. I've still got the 19, so I plan on hopping off one and right back onto the other and letting you guys know the difference. But let's talk about this bike a little bit. I'm not going to go into details because I spent like 4 months making videos on YouTube and TikTok about these new bikes, and yeah, so it's not so much mystery and intrigue now. But some of the highlights are definitely the new quick shifter. If you're not familiar with that, basically adds a sensor in the shift drum, so when you start to shift up, it will hesitate the ignition for a second, take a load off the bike, and let you shift. So that's pretty cool. Very common on the street bikes and adventure bikes. We haven't seen it on a dirt bike until now. I got to ride the 250 around the parking lot with it, and it was straight amazing. Can't wait to get it on track. Can't wait to try a start. Very excited about it. So yeah, a few other things. It's got the new map switch, which has the quick shift and traction control implemented into the switch. New start and stop switch with both things implemented. This has a new shock. It's a shorter shock, but it's also it's just the next generation of the exact shock, but it's got high speed, low speed, and rebound, all hand adjustable, which is pretty cool. We haven't seen that before, so I'm excited about that. And then obviously this is the factory edition, so it comes with the extra goodies: the front rotor guard, the triple clamps, there's an ambulance, skid plate, factory edition wheels, the KTM power parts, sprocket, the gold chain, all orange seat cover, of course the special plastics and graphics, all that stuff. So yeah, I've never had a special edition bike before, so I'm pretty pumped, guys. I can't wait. I've always wanted one with the orange frame. I like it a lot more than the black frame. So that's some of the highlights. I'm just excited to ride it, guys. There's a new air filter for this year, if you're not familiar with those, because they've been the same since 16, but there is a new one. We have the twin airs in stock at AOMC if you need one. The oil filter is the same. That's going to be one of the first videos I bust out about this bike, is how to do an oil change on it, because that's going to be the same procedure as a 2023 model. Still got the exact air fork, which I love. In fact, I love the AER air fork, and the exact, being an updated version of that. They say it's even better. I haven't got to spend much time on one, but I've always loved the WP air forks. You can see they put these little wings on the back of the front fender just to help send some air into those radiators. All right, guys, what do you think? You want to hear it run? All right, let's hear it run. Pretty sick, right guys? All right, so that's gonna be it for this video. If you appreciate videos like this, if today could be the day I earn your subscription, I would really appreciate it if you could hit the bell so you get updated when I drop a video. And if you want to go one step further and you really want to be a part of this channel, hit the blue join button and join the race team. It's pretty cheap, guys, and you get a few little perks out of it. And I don't know, if you want to support the channel, you'll sleep really good at night. And I appreciate y'all. I'll see you in the next video.